In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a section on Squarespace. Squarespace offers an intuitive platform for creating and customizing your website, but sometimes you might find yourself wanting to replicate a section you've painstakingly designed across multiple pages or even within the same page. This is where knowing how to copy a section can save you a lot of time and effort. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace website. Once there, you'll need to access your account. Look for the login button to get started. Squarespace offers a seamless way to log in using various methods, but for simplicity and efficiency, let's proceed with Continue with Google. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose your Google account, so click on the Google account you used to sign up or that you've previously linked with Squarespace. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Squarespace dashboard. Here you want to head straight to your website, look for your site's name or a visual preview of it and click on it. This action will redirect you to a more detailed view of your site's backend where all the magic happens. Now to start editing, you'll find an edit button or a similar option that takes you into the Squarespace editor. Squarespace's editor is where you can add, modify and arrange the content of your website. Look for this option and click on it to proceed. Once you're in the editing mode, navigate to the section you wish to duplicate. Squarespace sections are modular and can be easily identified as distinct blocks of content on your web page. Click on the section that you're interested in copying. Here comes a clever feature Squarespace offers, the heart icon. By clicking on the heart icon, you're essentially bookmarking or saving this section for later use. It's a handy feature if you're creating a library of favorite sections that you intend to reuse throughout your site. But for the task at hand, which is to duplicate a section, you'll want to look for the duplicate icon. It's usually represented by two overlapping squares. Clicking this icon will create an instant copy of the selected section. It's as straightforward as that. And now you have it, a perfect duplicate of your desired section, ready to be customized or repositioned wherever you need it on your website. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining consistency in design across different pages or for experimenting with variations of a layout without having to build from scratch. Remember, while copying sections is a breeze, always take a moment to review and tweak the copied content to ensure it fits seamlessly into its new context. Sometimes a direct copy might need slight adjustments in terms of text, images, or layout to match its new surroundings. And that wraps up our quick guide on how to copy a section on Squarespace. As you've seen, it's a simple process that can greatly enhance your efficiency and creativity when working on your site. Whether you're looking to replicate a winning design or save time in building out your pages, Squarespace has got you covered with its easy to use copying feature. Thank you for watching and happy designing.